This is the Safety First Easy Grip Brush and Comb Set. This one that I have is in white. As you can see, the extra soft brush bristles, which I love, and the handle is nice and soft, and it's really chunky, so it's easy to grip. Then you have the comb here, which has two sets of teeth for detangling hair. So, which works really well because my daughter has very curly hair, and this detangles her hair just fine. So I like the options, and it's also very squishy and chunky, which makes it easy to hold. Now this set really works well for, I believe, all different types of hair. Like I said, my baby has very, very curly hair, and I can brush it just fine with this. I can comb it just fine with the comb. This is also really good if your toddler is learning to brush her own hair. It's safe for them to hold, and I like that they can grip it very easily. So it's an all in all very nice product. It would make a great gift, I think, as well. And yeah, it makes it very easy to maintain your child's hair.